ebisharira omyanya eri omuchange cha Albertine region eri mu district C ezirukwika 26 kandi ezi ziri mu Hoima, Nwoya, Kiryandongo, Bulisa, Mpigi, Wakiso, Masindi, Kiboga, Mubende, Chankwanzi, Chikube na Kasongora hamwe n'ezindi.
These areas where the research has been made include the Kiryandongo areas, Nwoya, coming down here, Hoima, Kagadi, Chikube, Bulisa, and the other districts in southwestern Uganda.
Enteekateeka egi eyahirweyo aha abanyabutegetsi omu rurembo rwa Hoima City neija kugendera kimwe okuhika omwaka ogw'2040.
Kugendera government planning horizon mpaka 2040. New government planning horizon.
Okurujirira Dr. Emmanuel Brian Guma orukura ehureji ya Albertine Water Management Zone Ministry of Water and Environment nagira ngo kigenderwa cyabona munonga no kurebeka ngo barinde bisharira byaguma biryo mu buryo burungi okugarura busya emyanya ejo eyasiskire okureberera mizi otireho nango no kugira ngo ibyo nabyagaruka mu nteko byakora nko kubishemerire ku bantu bikora
kandi harimo bikozere ka ministry no tugerizo kurora ebintu bikusise byo buhangwa twabikendeza
ogu nayongeragira ngo okweyongera kw'abantu mu change eki nico kiretire ebyo buhangwa byagumana bisisikara ahubwo kugira ngo aba nibija batahirira ibyo buhangwa batandika kubitema kubiteka hansi ebiro munke bisharira hamwe n'uburwo bw'amizi obwe barkwenda imyanya yo kwingamu hamwe n'yo kuturamo.
First of all, the population pressure is increasing daily. Approximately the zone has a population growth rate of about 3 and globally population growth rate is about 1. So and the mass is not increasing. We're also having increased industries that is exerting a lot of pressure on the water resources.
Guma yayongera yashaba abanyabutegetsi omwihanga ryona okubasa kureba ngo barugayo kandi bashagike hureji
tuweta bujomu kuruga hansi mpaka abakulembeze ba district private yobuhangwa twabirorera
tone okero orukura district ya Nwoya yabireko kwatwaho komana munonga hamwe no kwetombwita ubuyabana yetombwita rabo bona abari kutahirira ibyo buhangwa ebiro munke bisharira ebera hamwe no burgo bw'amizi bakabasa kubana babiteka hansi barukurondaho kwinga hamwe no buturo.
One problem is that there is what we call selective prosecution in Uganda. You find wetland in Kampala are being constructed. You find wetland in Wakiso, there is construction going on. You find wetland in Gulu City, there is construction going on. But you find wetland in villages where there are the poor minority Ugandans who can earn 1,000 shillings per day. They are being deprived of not using this wetland. For us as country to do the right thing is that we should not have selective prosecution. We should not have selective implementation of laws of this country. We should have uniformity implementing the laws of this country by saying that if you are in the city, you are rich, you are an RDC, you are a commissioner, you are a minister, you are a general, it is null and void to degrade the wetland of Uganda, and that is all.
Michael Chakashari ogunumujwekirwa wa RDC ahabwa district eya Hoima yashemerwa munonga ahabwa ihureji yaza kutandika kandi nagira ngo na munonga okusisikara kw'ibyo buhangwa urisirwe abaturage konka nayongeragira ngo abebyo kwerinda mu district ya Hoima bagezeho munonga okubasa kubana bateka nyuma y'imitehimbwa aba barukwata.
In our operations there is areas where people have been growing rice in wetlands. We go to those people, arrested them, and the cover has gone back. It has gone back to its original form. And those who are even growing, who are even cutting charcoal, we are ensuring that we don't give them a chance.
Gasha kwa Gad asaba ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga.